In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Chrome slow download speeds on Android. If you've noticed that files take forever to download on your Android phone, even when your internet connection seems fine, this guide is for you. We'll walk through a series of practical checks and settings inside Chrome and on your device to help speed things up, using only the tools already on your phone. First, open the Chrome app on your Android device. Make sure you're running the latest version, because outdated versions can cause performance issues. To check this, go to your App Store, search for Google Chrome, and see if there's an update button. If there is, tap it and let the update finish before testing your downloads again. Next, confirm that your internet connection itself is stable. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if one is noticeably faster. You can also run a quick speed test using any trusted speed test website in Chrome. If the speed is slow everywhere, the issue might be with your network rather than Chrome. Now, let's clear Chrome's temporary data, which can sometimes slow things down. In Chrome, tap the three dots in the top right corner, go to History, then choose Clear Browsing Data. Select a time range like last 7 days or all time, and check options for cached images and files and browsing history. You usually don't need to clear saved passwords or autofill data unless you want to. Then, tap Clear Data and wait for it to finish. After this, close and reopen Chrome and try another download. Another thing to check is whether Chrome's light mode or data saver features are affecting performance, if they're available on your version. Go into Chrome's settings and look for any options related to data saving or reduced data usage. If you find them, try turning them off temporarily and see if download speeds improve. On your Android device, it's also helpful to make sure Chrome has permission to use data freely. Open your phone's settings, go to Apps, find Chrome, then look under Mobile Data or Data Usage. Disable any options that restrict background data or limit data usage, as these can sometimes interfere with smoother downloads. Finally, restart your phone. A simple reboot can clear out minor glitches that affect apps, including Chrome. After restarting, open Chrome again, download a test file, and see if the speed has improved. By walking through these checks and adjustments, you should be able to resolve most common causes of slow download speeds in Google Chrome on Android.